In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Leaderboard on Pocket Option. First, make sure you're logged into Pocket Option. You can use either the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. Open it up and sign into your account so you can access all the community features. If you're switching between devices, double-check you're on the same account to keep your view consistent. A stable connection helps because leaderboards update frequently. Once you're in, head to the section labeled Social Trading or Copy Trading. This is where Pocket Option brings together trader rankings and community activity. On the website, you'll often find it on the right-hand side of the main dashboard. In the app, it may appear as a prominent tab or within the main menu. If you don't see it immediately, look for icons or labels that mention social, copy, or community features. Inside social or copy trading, locate the leaderboard or the list of traders. This is the ranking area that highlights performance across different time frames and categories. You'll typically see a top 100 traders list, which showcases the overall highest performers. This is useful if you want a broad view of consistently strong accounts. You'll also see a best in last 24 hours list, which spotlights the freshest high performers. This short-term snapshot can help you spot momentum, but remember that recent spikes can be volatile and may not reflect long-term stability. If you're looking for someone specific, use the Search by ID option. Enter the trader's user ID to jump straight to their profile. This is handy if you've saved someone's ID or received a recommendation and want to verify their results directly on the platform. When you open a trader's profile, take a moment to review the stats provided. Common metrics include profit percentage, which shows overall gains relative to starting balance, win rate, which indicates how often trades end profitably, the number of followers, which can hint at community trust but shouldn't be the only factor, and performance history, often displayed as charts or logs over different periods. Compare these details across multiple profiles to build a balanced view. Look beyond a single high number and consider consistency over time, the size of the trading history, and how recent results align with longer-term performance. That's the process. Log in, go to social or copy trading, open the leaderboard, explore top 100 and best in last 24 hours. Use search by ID when needed, and carefully review each profile's stats. Take your time, cross-check details, and use the leaderboard as a clear, organized way to evaluate traders before you decide what to do next.